emergency federal employees can leave
It's the end of the world.
2 hours early from work. Feds will not be charged for those 2 hours. Emergency employees and telework employees are expected to continue working unless otherwise directed by their agencies. Feds under the flexible work schedule should consult the OPM handbook to figure out departure times.
I just running your yellow light.
You want to go to
Ticket.
WTOP.com.
Also want to let you know that all Sandy Spring Bank branches are closing.
Everything's
at 5 p.m.
closing.
Now on to colleges and universities. In the district, AU is closed. University of the District of Columbia closed. Georgetown University closed. Howard University closed. Evening activities canceled. Webster University, all locations, all evening classes canceled. Nyack
Just went to the
College,
grocery
evening
store.
events
I
are
have my
canceled.
bread and my
And the
water.
Missouri State University.
I don't drink
campus
milk.
in Fairfax, Virginia. No night
I'm all
classes
set,
tonight.
but if you can
Virginia
see on the
Tech
windshield,
Graduate School is closing early
it's
at
sleeting,
4.
not
University
raining.
of Virginia Nova Center in Falls Church.
And then I
is
guess in
closed.
about an
All
hour,
evening
we're getting
classes
about
canceled.
between
University of
4 to
Northern
10
Virginia,
inches of
Manassas,
snow.
Evening classes canceled.
Pretty
Virginia
exciting.
International University
Okay.
in Fairfax will close at 6
Woohoo!
p.m. No evening classes. University of Mary Washington.